Introducing the Milk-V Duo, a E-SBC by the company Milk-V. Milk-V, Milk-5, I like saying Milk-V. It sports the SG2002 RISC-V processor, faster than a microcontroller, and not as powerful as, let's say, a Raspberry Pi. I'm going to use the nickname given to it on Reddit, which is an E-SBC. And hence its name, the Duo. It has two processors, a dual-core RISC-V processor, the C906, and its 8051 MCU. It does have Arduino support. This specific device has 256 megabytes of memory, has AI capabilities, and a camera connector for AI vision projects, capable of video and audio projects, a USB-C port for power and data, along with data pads that you can connect directly to the board. Now, along with video and audio capabilities, it also has the ability for Ethernet. Now, as far as storage options, you have a micro SD slot right here, eEMC options, and SPI memory. But it's definitely recommended to just stick with the micro SD slot. The pins are all properly labeled, and the smaller core is for Arduino development, and the larger core are for Linux tasks. And flashing Linux on these little guys is fairly simple. Now, the bottom pinout is for, let's say, an Ethernet jack, giving it network abilities and being able to SSH into the device. And there is also a Raspberry Pi-like I/O board, and this I/O board really gives you the most out of your Milk-V Duo. 4 USB slots and an Ethernet jack, a USB-C slot for power and data, pogo pins to attach to the pad of the bottom of your Milk-V Duo, and these headers to attach the pinout of the Duo into it, where it latches into place, as well as a serial port pinout. Now, when installing your Milk-V Duo to the I/O board, make sure it's in this direction, and make sure the pogo pins are touching the appropriate pads, like so. Now, when you're interfacing with the board, make sure you use the Ethernet port, not the USB-C port. In another video, we'll go over how to flash your Milk-V Duo and how to interface with it using a regular computer. We will also go over how to interface with the Milk-V Duo by itself and with the I/O board. If you like this video, drop us a like and maybe subscribe to keep up to date with the latest SBCs, microcontrollers, IoTs, and different variations of tech. Boards like this really show us how far RISC-V has come, and the future is looking bright.